Hi guys, today pag-uusapan lang natin itong si Pumpkin dahil meron silang airdrop, no? Ito makikita natin, so share natin yan dito sa video natin today. Isa itong DEX or decentralized na platform, and makikita nga natin dito merong mga live available. For example, dito sa may live tab as well. Ayan. So makikita natin dito yung mga upcoming as well as yung replay. So dito natin makikita, no. So for now ay i-discuss natin yung pinaka-airdrop dito, kung paano nga ba dito sumali. And again, I'm just sharing these insights lang, a review. Discuss natin yan dito sa video natin today, no. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel, guys. Ayan, so dito nga guys, no, once na mapuntahan nyo yung pinaka-official link sa description ng video na ito, para na rin makayo sa mga phishing links online, guys, no. So pwede nyong i-check itong airdrop. So select lang natin ito. So dito guys, no, merong fix na 1M weekly distribution. It's a pumpkin seeds. So dito guys, season 2 na to, no. So yung season 1 ay kakatapos lang. Ayan. So, merong season 2 sila dito na ongoing. So, like, check muna natin ito. So, as of recording this video, 82 days, 17 hours. And, andito yung pinaka-details, no? So, you can have this liquidity rewards, loss subsidy, liquidation subsidy, as well as the live streaming rewards, no? So, if ever na live streamer ka, you can also join dito to get nung pumpkin seeds, no. So ito yung mga option to get dito nung pumpkin seeds, no. How to get pumpkin seeds? So you can do live streams, liquidation subsidy, loss subsidy, and liquidity rewards, no. So if ever na ayaw mo mag volume or mag trade pero gusto mo lang dito mag live stream, ito yung option, no, to get the rewards, no. So meron din silang pumpkin seeds na buyback. Ayan, makikita natin dito yung pinaka-details. So for now guys, no, hindi mo kailangan dito ng email. Web3 wallet lang yung kailangan mo dito dahil ito nga ay DEX, no, or decentralized exchange, no. So gamit ko dito is OKX wallet. So yung mga official links lalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito, yung pinaka-step by step paano mag-create ng Web3 wallet as well as mag-login dito gamit lang Web3 wallet mo, guys, no. So ngayon, merong option dito ng login. So select ko lang ito. So dito guys, select lang natin itong more options, no, kasi may option dito ng email pero hindi ko gagamitin yung email dito. Web3 wallet yung gagamitin ko dito, no. So sa more options lang. And then OKX wallet ito. Select ko lang ito. And then yung Solana na wallet. So ito. Select ko lang yan. And then lalabas dito yung pinaka logins sa OKX Web3 wallet. So like, login lang ako, confirm, and then I need to connect lang. So pagkatapos nyan ay i-confirm mo lang doon sa pinaka-wallet mo and successfully connected, all set. Pagkatapos nyan, ayan, so nag-refresh na siya dito, guys, no. Makikita mo na dito yung pinaka-user profile mo. So you can also verify your X if ever na mayroon kang X, no, or previously Twitter. Pwede kang pumunta dito guys sa my airdrop. Ayan. So may option dito to get and to qualify ng pinaka pumpkin seeds. So if hindi mo or kung ayaw mag-trade, you can just do live streams dito, guys, no. So kagaya ng other dexes na nagkaroon ng airdrop before, like yung Hyperliquid, so more of like volume sila. Kapag meron kang volume na ginawa, makakakuha ka ng hype tokens, no. So again, I'm just sharing this idea lang, and itong video natin today is just for ideas, an update, and doesn't qualify as an investment or financial advice, no. It's an educational lang, and I just want to share my experience as well as for this potential airdrop. So dito guys, it's pretty basic lang. Makikita natin open long kapag aakyat yung presyo. Open short naman kapag pabagsak yung presyo, magkakaroon ng retracements, no. So it's pretty basic lang dito, and ganun lang siya dito, guys, no, na mag-work. If ever na gusto mo i-farm yung pinaka pumpkin seeds, ay kailangan mo lang dito na meron kang ma-execute, and also for the volume, no? Malaking factor din yung volume para makakuha ka ng pumpkin seeds, no? So, ito yung isa sa mga interesting dito, yung airdrop, since ito is season 2 pa lang, and mahaba-haba na i-farm ito, no? If ever na interested ka dito. So, for the live stream, ito, maybe I'll do live stream as well dito just to farm yung pinaka pumpkin seeds, no. So meron ditong option ng live stream rewards, guys, no. Ayan. So yun, hope you get some insights dito, guys. Pwede nyong i-check ito for this potential airdrop na kagaya ni Hyper Liquid, pero bago pa lang at hindi pa masyadong kilala, no. So yun lang for today, guys. Hope you get some insights, updates today. Feel free to explore this app. Yung official link naman, lalagay ko sa description ng video na ito. Walang KYC, hindi mo kailangan ng email, Web3 wallet lang, ay pwede mong gamitin dito, no? So, yun lang for today, guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat kayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.